Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Knight of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and Knight of Cups. So, Taurus, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life situation, guys. So, you are someone who is really confident, talented, and you have great dreams and goals for yourself, and you are moving towards that, and you are working really hard to move towards your goals and dreams. You are working towards those dreams and goals you have for yourself, guys, and you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and responsible. And today, maybe if you need to reach those goals, or if you want to reach those goals and achievements, if you want to follow your dreams, you are in the verge of making some important decision, guys. Maybe something you need to do, maybe you are unable to compromise on certain things. You love this person, but if you want to uh, be in a committed relationship with this person, you cannot progress towards the dreams or follow your dreams. And you are someone who is really honest, you are truthful to your heart. So you have your dreams and goals in front of you and you want to move towards that. But if you want this love, you cannot achieve those dreams. So you are making a very difficult choice today, guys, Taurus. So these difficult choices are really stressing you. It is simply killing you because you love this person also. But you are unable to make a compromise in your life today. You are unable to do that. It may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you. So that is the reason for stress, a lot of stress today. And I also see that maybe for some of you, you are seeing someone unexpected today. Unexpected person is coming to meet you. Maybe it may be someone from your past, your ex, or it may be this person you love. They are visiting you by surprise, and it is giving you an opportunity, guys, maybe to speak your mind or communicate to them the truth you have in your heart. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right now, guys. Thank you for watching, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can close your eyes, think about your situation. Maybe you may have some doubts or confusions. You can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, and I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, So now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card, the first card for those who chose this card. It is an angel card, guys. It's Archangel Uriel. So, with this card, the energy is that whenever we have an angel card, I usually say the angels are there guiding us today. So, maybe in your life today, you may have some doubts or confusions. Maybe you are in the verge of making some important decisions for your life, maybe for your work or maybe for your love, for your relationship. So you are confused, you don't know what is your decision or what is your choice. So you are feeling stuck, maybe. So this angel guides you subtly, in a very subtle way, but in a very powerful way. So you will have that clarity and understanding, guys, whatever your situation may be. For some of you, you may see answers through some signs or through some subconscious urges or impulses in your life today. So, whenever you need assistance, this angel is to be called upon, guys. And also, guys, this angel encourages you to listen to your inner voice. So, in your heart of hearts, you know what is your choice, the clear choice, and you will have an understanding of any situation, guys. So, that is what is important to you. So, your intuition is guiding you or will be guiding you, and you need to listen to it, guys. So, that is the energy with this card for those who chose the first card. So, let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, the second card, we will see what it is. It is building blocks. So, with this card in our life, in any situation, guys, in our relationship, maybe, it just means that we are attracting new relationships in our life. Maybe we are in a new connection and we want to build a strong and a beautiful relationship together with this person for that extraordinary life. In order to do that, we have to focus on the foundation we need to build this relationship on, the values, ethics, morals, and the core beliefs. These are all the most important things that will give us that solid grounding in this relationship and make it work in a very positive way. And you are in the process of making some remarkable changes in your life today, guys. This is the time for that. And maybe for some of you, you are attracting a new relationship towards you, or if you are already in a connection, you are building it more strongly, strengthening it with honesty, humility, clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand one another. And you are moving towards that strong foundation, firm footing for this relationship so that it can withstand any storm that you will be facing together, guys, when you are in a connection. So, long standing relationships are repaired and strengthened even further when you have a beautiful understanding with each other, guys. So, that is the energy with this card. So, you and the other person, you are working towards that stronger, more powerful relationship together than apart. So, that is the energy with this card. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.